Hello everyone. How are you? Hope you're doing well now. I want to ask, do you like meatloaf cooked at home? Are there different types of meatloaf? I have different recipes for the classic meatloaf, with a variety of meats, as well as some unique flavors such as belly meatloaf and pancake meatloaf. In this video, I want to offer you a recipe for a delicious baked meatloaf made from fresh bacon. In this video, let's make fresh bacon meatloaf. I will use a large piece of fresh, soft young pork belly, vegetable oil and some spices. These are garlic, salt, black hot pepper and sweet seeds. This recipe calls for 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. First, I will make small punctures with a knife in order to hide the garlic there. It's ready. Next step. I apply vegetable oil to the surface of the meat and coat both surfaces of the bacon meat with vegetable oil. Therefore, spices will better fill the meat with flavors and will stick well on it. Finally, it is salt, pepper and sweet pepper seeds. Here's how I do it. Spices should be covered in an even layer, a lot, so that the salty and bitter taste is clearly felt. The meat will release meat juices while baking in the oven. Because of this, some of the spices will be lost. If the spices are not enough, the baked meatloaf can be tasteless. Now I will make a meatloaf out of this piece of pork belly. First, fix the shape of the roll with toothpicks. Then I will use cotton thread to tie the meatloaf more tightly. Toothpicks should be removed after this step. Everything, the meatloaf is ready for heat treatment. It can be both a slow cooker and a frying pan, but I prefer to bake in the oven. I need a sleeve for baking. The edges of the sleeve must be fixed with clamps. Meatloaf bakes for an hour and a half at 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Approximately 10 minutes before full readiness, the baking sleeve must be opened to get delicious caramel crust on meatloaf's surface. Everything, it's ready. I think it's very tasty. After baking, the meat juice inside the meatloaf is evenly distributed, so wait 30 minutes before tasting. I use another culinary trick. I hide the meatloaf in the refrigerator overnight and serve it cold on the table. This is what it looks like after chilling in the fridge. Now you can test. I'm sure it's delicious. Your guests may cry with happiness. It's all. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up at the bottom of the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.